Yeah, today we are talking about the list type property. So I'm going to create a different list with different style. This one is I want this to be circle. Let's list 3 items: rice, beans, and so let me create and bread. Let me create another list with another style. This style should be square. So I'll be creating another list with decimal point, decimal. So after this, I'll be creating another C with lower alphabet. So then another list with a lower Roman figure, lower Roman figure. So after this, I think we can stop here. So let's stop here. This is title. So close it with the tag. So let's save it. Let's see how the site is going to look like. Yeah, good. This is what I just did. You can see I have different type of lists, symbol 1 2 3 4 5. So thank you.